Hey, what's up? Welcome to Katie's Garage. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove pitch and tree sap off of a car, even if it's been baked on for years. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so these are the 3 products that I'm going to be trying in this video. All of them you can get pretty easily from like a local auto supply store. So this is the Rustoleum Wax and Tar Remover, this 3M General Purpose Adhesive Remover, and then lastly is Isopropyl Alcohol, which is probably the harshest out of all of them, and you're going to see why. Great tip for you before you even think about doing this, which I didn't do, is to wash your car down really well before you start. So the last thing you want to do is be rubbing dirt over the top of tree sap as you're vigorously trying to get it out, because you're going to scratch and damage your paint even more. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is try the 3M General Purpose Adhesive Remover. Gonna kind of let that soak there. Microfiber. Grab the excess to the towel. And let's see what we've got. So, I'm gonna say adhesive remover is not effective on pitch or tree sap. Scratch that one off the list. The next one that we're gonna try is the Rustoleum Wax and Tar. Let it soak in just a little bit. Starting to come up. I think I'm gonna try putting some directly onto the towel too. Alright, so I'm not super impressed with that. It's still pretty sticky and didn't really come off. So now we're going to try the big gun. The Isopropyl Alcohol. Let's just put a little bit on there. Just go for it. Okay, so isopropyl alcohol on fresh tree sap works really great. Disclaimer time. This is the result of it though. You see how hazy it is right here? So alcohol is obviously extremely drying. So you're gonna wanna wash this with a good car specific soap. And then I'd recommend that you do potentially a light polish, depending on if you scratched it trying to remove it, or at least a nice coating of a protective wax or a ceramic or something to help protect this clear coat. And there you have it, guys. So that was 3 methods to try in order to remove tree sap. I will say that this wax and tar remover works really great on the stuff that is super dried out. I would recommend that you use something like this on rubber trim instead of the alcohol, because you really don't want to dry out your seals and things like that. And now I am going to get back to removing the thousands of spots of tree sap that I need to remove from this car. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.